Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to import CSV files into SPSS. CSV stands for comma separated value. It means that instead of our common Excel file, the values are not separated by columns or by tabs, but by a comma. So let's start the importation. We'll go to File, to Import Data. We'll choose CSV Data. And I am going to choose the file that I'm going to import, which will be the credit file. We'll click Open. And we see the dialog box with the preview. So, as you see, we don't have our familiar columns separating the values, but we have here a first row which has the names of the columns and then all the other values separated by commas, the point being the decimal symbol. Okay, so we must have extra care when we are importing a CSV file into SPSS. First, by default, SPSS assumes that the first line contains the variable names, which is correct. This is the default option. But then we must select also these two options to remove leading and trailing spaces from string values, because if there are some leading or trailing spaces, SPSS will interpret them as characters and the name will appear with a space. So we keep all the other default options ticked and we press OK. We don't need this output. And here is the file as read by SPSS. So we have here some problems with some of the variables, which are, this for instance is a scale variable that was interpreted as nominal, the same as education, but we will talk about it in another video.